wake up, still drunk, got my shoes on my feet. I'm hesitating to look at my computer screen. I live up on a cloud for the whole world to see. You cyber hating me now for the publicity.
We got that party pooper antidote. It's coming full of shots straight down your throat. Gang of money, Capone with no. Two bad boys, Jerry Curl and Fro. LMFAO, yo, LMFAO, yo.
When you stop killing our buzz, we'll party rock with you. I'm just living my love. Why you killing my buzz?
I'm not gonna play fair if you don't play back. I don't wanna be a bitch, but this game is whack. So get out of my way, say whatever you say. I'll be living my love, living. So you can be a hater if it turns you on. Write whatever you want if it makes you feel strong. But you better be down, cause this road is long and I'll be living my love, living. I'll be living my love.
I'm just living my love.
I'll be living my love.
Why you killing my buzz? Yo, I don't mean to stop you, but you might want to pick up the name you just dropped, bruh. I'm like a helicopter, yeah, you up in the building, but I'm up on top, yeah. Hey man, take this binocular while I walk around the club with a fist of vodka, a party rocker, a panty dropper.
Shots up, who's laughing at your jokes? Now, shut down, you should walk away. Cause no one's laughing at your jokes. Now, yes, it's shut down, you better hear me say. You better hear me say.
Buzz.